Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and Shiba in that order. And guys, I'm going to go through two charts here. This was my Bitcoin chart from yesterday. And yes, we did hit our $60,000 target. We came down, we touched it, and we got a nice bounce there, but it's not really looking like it's that great. So I'm going to turn to this chart. This chart's all cleaned up. This was my fib chart, if you guys remember. I readjusted the fib because we have a new high now, right? So my old fib was coming off of this high, but since we created a new high, I had to readjust the fib. So what I did was I readjust the fib, and our next target for me, if Bitcoin breaks this, our next target to me will be coming in right around 75 or 74,300 area. That would be my next target if we do hold up here at 60,000. Now, guys, if 60,000 doesn't hold up, there is a very, 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 very good chance that we get a bounce off of 58,100 or 58,900 area. Okay. All right. So I want you guys to be aware this is a very important area. All right. If not, then yeah, we could. I mean, it could get ugly, but I think we're going to get a bounce anywhere from the area that we're currently in. We got to watch for that. Right now, the 4 hours not looking that great. Let's look at the hour candle. Hour's okay. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. There's 2 hours before the daily candle closes. Let's look at the daily. I would like to see this wick up more to make this candle more interesting. We do have a little wick here. You can see we hit our box. Now, if this does fold, this is the area. This is the area, guys, that if you see Bitcoin getting in, and if you like Bitcoin, this could be a potential buy zone, guys, of the area I just told you. Anywhere from 58,900 to 58,128 area. Anywhere within this area, this box, this would be a purchasing zone for Bitcoin if you like Bitcoin. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But this is an area that I really like. Also, guys, if we do get a bounce here, okay, what I would like to see is then get a 4-hour candle closing above the $60,000 mark, okay, where we had our previous. This was because if this folds, this will turn into resistance, so we could get rejected here. So if we get a bounce, I want to see us get past this $60,000 area and get a 4-hour candle closing above there. Then we could see more continuation. Now, guys, if we do get a bounce here, this would be a good spot to look at your altcoins too, like Solana, Matic, Ethereum, Shiba, all the altcoins, Cardano, all the altcoins that we talk about. Because if Bitcoin drops into this area, these altcoins are going to go down. And then if they get a bounce, you could then buy these altcoins and maybe get the bounce with Bitcoin. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but I tend to do those type of things. It usually works out like that. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor, like I said. This is just my opinion. But this would be a great bounce area, guys. So keep that in mind for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, we kind of hit a bounce target here. We got a buy zone in our purple box. We did fold. We hit our high. We folded. Tried to attempt another reattempt up here. Came back down. And now we fell into my purple box. So what I want to see is I really want to see this 38.30 hold up. Now, if that doesn't hold up, then 37.50 or even this area right down here. 37.50 to 37.100. This could be a good spot to. I'm sorry, 37.14. Oh, geez, 37.14. Or even 3,700. So let's just see 3,700. That's if Bitcoin folds. If Bitcoin folds, then I'll be looking for those areas for a bounce. So 3,800 first, and then 37.50 area. Okay, that's only if Bitcoin folds. down to the box that we were talking about, then we could see those numbers. Okay, and to the upside, I just want to see us, really, I want to see us get a 4-hour candle closing back above $4,000 again, and then maybe continuation above there if we can get a 4-hour candle closing. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, this if this candle turns green, this could act as a reversal, but we still want to see. Let's see, we're going to bring this down. Yeah, about $4,015 area. We want to see that close. And I'd really like to see us get above this 40,050, a 4-hour candle closing above there. But let's see if this turns green. This candle's looking good. Okay, this is a reversal candle, but this next candle has to help us out here. All right, it has to turn green and go up. Let's look at the hour. Maybe there's some on the hour. The hour is kind of trading sideways. Nothing really major there. Any kind of trends we can look at? Let's look and see. Okay. Yeah, let's go down here. So let's see if we can break this little trend, and then maybe get that bounce that we were looking for. Okay. If not, then we could come down here and break that trend, just like we broke this trend right here. So let's see if that happens, guys. Getting this purple box. This would be, this was a buy zone. It bought here. So let's see if this could be act as another buy zone. We can even extend it out. And that's anywhere from 39 to pretty much 3,800. So anywhere within that mark. If not, then yeah, we'd be looking at the 37 mark if Bitcoin folds down like we talked about. All right. So to the upside, we talked about it. We want to break. Yeah, I would like to see us actually really getting a 4-hour candle closing above 40,000 or 4,057. I'm sorry, 40,000. 4,057 area. That's where I'd really look to for this move to keep continuation to the upside. Matic, guys, we're kind of just trading sideways. We came out of our pattern. This was a huge move. Got rejected here at 163. Got rejected at 163 again. We are holding the 150. We wicked it, but we're still holding it, so that's good for right now on the daily. Let's look at the hour. Let's see. We got maybe a trend here. Let's see if we can break this trend too. Okay, let's see if we can break this trend as well. Yeah, this looks about right. Yeah, right about here. Okay, so let's see if we can break this trend. If 150, we can't get a 4-hour candle closing, or it closes under here, then we would want to see the next candle break it. If it gets rejected, then yeah, we'd be looking at 145, and mainly this purple box would be a great buy opportunity, especially if Bitcoin drops, guys, anywhere from 140, 141 to 144 area would be a good buy zone. That should hold up. I mean, I'm assuming if Bitcoin does get that drop, and to the upside, let's just break 163. Let's get it. Let's get a 4-hour candle closing above 163, and then maybe we could see this 170 and 180 mark. So that's it for Matic. Cardano, I don't know what to say, guys. Just more side. I mean, this is ever since back here, since October 1st, it's just been nothing but sideways, anywhere from 230. I mean, we got this little wick, but I'm not going to count that. Anywhere from 230 to about $2.09. So I want to see the $2.09 hold up. If that doesn't hold up, then if that doesn't hold up and that folds, then yeah, we could see this $2.02 area again. But I think that'll hold up. I mean, well, it just depends. It depends what Bitcoin's going to do, guys. So let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. To the upside here, let's see if we see anything on the 1 hour. Let's look. Yeah, we might have a nice little trade here if this can work out. I mean, this has a lot of touch points. I like this one better than the other trends that we drew up, because the more touch points, the more sideways, the more consolidation, the better the move is to the upside. So let's see if this can break to the upside. If it does, then yeah, technically And then there's a W right here. We can now. Well, is this lower? Is this lower? Oh, I don't know if I would count that. That's pretty good. God, this is so close. I can't. I'm not sure if this is. I mean, that's very, very close. I mean, could we count the? Oh, it's very, very close. But let's see if this breaks trend. And then, yeah, I would like to really forget this 222 right now. Let's bring this down and bring this down to 220. If 220, if it breaks 220, then yeah, we could see some fireworks and we get back up to that 230 mark. Get past 225 and then get to 230. Okay, if we get past 230, then 237, 240 would be on deck. All right. So we're still looking at those targets for Cardano. Solano, guys, the gift that keeps on giving. I don't know what to say. We broke our trend, got our retest. I talked about this being an explosive move coming. We got the explosive move. What did we get here from this? This was almost a 40% move. So that was huge. We knew that was coming, right? We called this on my video. This was an easy trade. We even called the bottom right here. This was awesome at 137, then the top, bang. But yeah, we were actually $2 off from the top. But guys, if you guys have watched my channel long enough, and some of you guys can comment below. But you guys always know I always take a couple dollars. I take profit a couple dollars before we hit our target because you always want to take a couple dollars because they front run you. So they know that, hey, everybody's looking to take profits. So they'll start taking profits right about here on the way up, okay, closer to the move. All right, so just remember that. All right. Because technically, on technical analysis, if you break this trend, this would be the target, would be the top side of this move always. Okay, so this this was the target. So when that's the main target, okay, not this right here. These are just levels that we wanted to break and hold 4-hour candles closing, which we did. This was our main target. So you always want to take a couple dollars before you hit your main target. Then if it drops and you like the project, you could always buy back a little cheaper or whatever. Hey, you made some money and then, you're still in it. At least you're not holding it and then you just watch, some of your money just drain away. Okay. But this is looking good still. Let's look at the 1 hour. If Bitcoin bounces, this look really good. So 1 hour, not seeing much there. Let's go to the 4 hour. Actually, the 1 hour, this is actually looking like a little reversal on the 1 hour. So and it's looking good on the 4 hour, guys. We still got about an hour and 15 minutes until the 8 o'clock candle closes and this 4 hour candles closes. So let's keep an eye on that. But this is actually looking pretty nice for maybe some kind of reversal. So let's see if we get a 4 hour candle closing above 2, then yeah, this could pop up to the upside. So let's see if that happens, guys. We got to remember, sometimes even if these candles are red for reversal, when you see a hammer candle like this, where you see the wick and then you see this top side, you could always get a reversal. Now, this doesn't always play out when it's red, but if you see the next candle break above this, usually that's a good sign. Okay. Now, if this candle's green, usually, that's a great sign for a reversal. You could even get the bottom hammer right here, like we did here. Okay. Let me see any more examples. Right here, guys. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at this. This started the whole move. Look right here. And I called this reversal candle. I remember doing it. Reversal candle. We wicked down, but we didn't break underneath this. That's the key. We didn't break underneath this wick. We stopped right here, got the candle. Once we came down and we broke above this solid part of the candle, boom, off to the races. Then another one right here, boom, off to the races. Okay, so that's what I mean by that. This is looking good. Let's see if 189 holds up. Or $1.90. Actually, it looked like we got a bounce at $1.90. It looks like, right? Because I have it at 189 and like really, really high change. So maybe 190. Well, we got a bounce at 191. So they might have just front running that too. Um, let's see how this plays out. So let's see 190 hold up. If not, 182 and 178 would be very, very good buys, especially if Bitcoin drops like we talked about. How much time do we have left? We got 15 minutes. So this area would be a nice place to purchase, okay? I'm not a financial advisor, guys, just my opinion. But it does look like we are getting some bounces here, getting some green candles. But like I said, this can turn around, guys, like it did yesterday on us last night. So, all right, let's move on to SHIB. SHIB is getting a nice candle. This is actually a pretty decent daily on the daily. So let's see what happens there. All the other dailies they don't look that great. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour. We got a nice little reversal here, maybe potentially. Next candle. Let's see if it breaks. Let's see if we get a 4 hour closing above 28.19. If that happens, then we could test this 29.50 and then maybe get above the 3,000 area. And then I would really like to get above. We get above this 3,040, then we can really start jamming on this one. Do I see anything interesting here? Wait a minute. Maybe I do. I do, actually. 4 hour? Guys, what do we have here on the 4 hour? This might actually be the trade. Let's look. One, bomb, bomb. And then if we can get this, guys, if we can get this to break, let's say 29.57. So we can even move that up just a little smidge. 29.57. We get a break above 29.57 and a candle closing and even a retest. Guys, so sometimes what it likes to do is, if you miss it, sometimes what it likes to do is break out. Then it comes back and it retests it and goes. It'll retest the W. All right. So I'm teaching you all these things right now. These are good things to learn in technical analysis. But this does look like a W pattern with a target. I know we're running out of time here. With the target would be, oh shoot, what did I just do? All right, I hit the wrong button. Wow, guys, this would be a nice trade. And the target would be up here, close to my box here, and actually close to this point right here, coming in right around 32, let's say 32.25 area. All right, so keep that in mind. Also, I'd like to see this area hold up 26.91 and 26.37. How much time do I have? Okay, we got a little bit of time left. So yeah, 26.37. I want to see that hold for SHIB. But this looks like a nice W pattern shaping up on the 4 hour. Let's see what we have on the 1 hour. The 1 hour is looking good. SHIB is looking good, guys. So let's see how this plays out. Let's see if we can break this zone, like I said. And even get an hour candle closing above there would be nice. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. We covered everything. Bitcoin, let's see, looking good. Let's see, do we have anything here on the hour chart? It's still kind of sideways. Could probably draw this up, though, on the 1 hour chart here. Let's start here. Oh, what happened? Oh, I just drew a line, didn't I? Yep. See, sometimes I do that. All right, let's do here. Let's go here. And I thought I did this. Well, I guess I did. All right, so maybe something like that for Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so keep that in mind. Like we called this already. This is already looking nice. Solana. Let's see. Bitcoin. Yeah. So let's keep an eye on this pattern here. Maybe we get a little W on the 1 hour. Let's look. This is possible. This is possible too, right here. How much time do we have left? I gotta look. Maybe we do get this right here. Boom, 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 and then boom. So guys, if we do break this area right around here, then we could see a decent little move to the upside. Let's look. Oops. Let's see, how much time do I have left? Oh no, guys, I got to end the video. Much love to you guys. Peace out.